All right, so this is the activity that we did. Would you rather have $100,000 in a month or start with a penny today and double it each day for 30 days? So I just am using somebody's example. So if you see that it's yours, I'm not going to show your name, so you don't need to tell everyone it's yours. I'm not going to tell anybody it's yours. So what we were doing, remember, is we were multiplying by 2. And we were multiplying by 2. And we did that every single time, where we eventually got this answer of $5,368,709. So this is one way to do it. But the reason that we want to be able to use exponents is because of this right here. Let me open my calculator. Phone is locked, and so it's not letting it turn. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, come on, there we go. All right, so think about how many times we had to multiply by 2. So it's actually going to be 1 less because we started with our answer of 0, or we started with 1 penny, and then we multiplied it by 2. But if you think about this, we multiplied 0.1 by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and we did that 29 times. Now, remember when we were talking about 2 squared? Well, 2 squared means that there are 2 2's multiplying. In the case of this problem, we had to do 29 2's. So remember, we have 2 times 2. I could rewrite that as 2 squared. So every time you have an additional 2 multiplying, you can multiply it, or this just tells you how many times this number is multiplying. And you will have another video that explains this more in depth. I just wanted you to show how you could have done this and gotten your final answer by just using an exponent. So we're going to take, I already took our original number, how many pennies we had, and I'm going to multiply it by 2. And then if you are on a phone, you should have a button that says like X to the Y. So if I hit that button, it's going to let me put my exponent. So I'm going to put 29, and then I'm going to hit enter. Notice it gives me that same answer because I told it to multiply 2 29 times. It's multiplying by 2 29 times, and that's where we got our answer. So this is why we use exponents, because you don't want to have to, every single time we do a problem in this next unit, have to write out this table like you did and have to multiply 2 29 times. So that's why we are going to use exponents. That's why we are starting this next topic.